I've never known hunger before. Things change, though. Now it's all around me. You'd think with all the time you've spent out here, you'd be better at this.
Yes, leave it to the city boy to tell me how to start a fire. Since we got away from that construction site, you've been quiet. What's eating you, bud? You can talk to me.
What happened back there? That man, he was.
That wasn't a man.
I know what I saw back there, Scott. That man was eating someone. I saw his face. His eyes were wild with hunger, like he hadn't eaten in days. I can still hear the sound echoing through my head.
Liam, Look, I'd like to say I know what happened back there, but I've never seen anything like that before. What I know for sure is that whatever we saw was not a man, Liam. And you know what? We got away. We escaped a one-way trip to that creature's stomach. That's something to be proud of.
Yeah, I guess you can say running like a couple of chickens is a proud moment. You should have seen the look on your face.
You know, you weren't exactly the spitting image of bravery either. Your legs were shaking like a child needing to piss.